Can you speak Spanish?
Just a little.
How often do you cook?
Almost every day.
Are you going to the party?
Yes, I'll be there at 7.
Are you free this evening?
Yes, I don't have plans.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love it.
Can you dance?
A little, but not well.
Do you watch movies often?
Yes, at least once a week.
Do you enjoy singing?
Yes, I love it. I am a bathroom singer.
What's your favorite drink?
Lemonade.
Where is the bus stop?
Over there, next street corner.
Do you have money?
Yes. $20.
Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, all the time.
Are you busy tomorrow?
No, I'm free.
Are you a morning person?
Not really, I prefer nights.
Where's your phone?
On the table.
Are you sleepy?
Yes, very sleepy.
Where is your mom?
At work.
Are you at school?
No, I'm at home.
Can you speak French?
No, I can't.
Can you help me now?
Sure, I can.
Do you like summer?
Yes, it's my favorite season.
Where is your school?
Near my house.
Are you enjoying this?
Yes, it's fun.
Do you like studying?
Yes, I do.
Are you enjoying this?
Yes, it's fun.